What's up, you guys? Welcome to Mish Times 2. Please excuse the AC running behind me. I am working real fresh from my little alley over here on my 08 GTI. And in this video, I'll just kind of, because I actually had recorded the installation of this, of all the seals, but the camera angle was terrible. But basically the gist of it is I want to tell you guys about the FSI vacuum pumps. These are also found on TSI engines, but I have an FSI. It's code BPY, which is the FSI model that was sold in the United States. And I had a leak. Right here in right on top of my transmission and surrounding areas. And so couldn't help but wonder if it would be possible to reseal this, and you can. RKX Tech sells a vacuum pump rebuild kit, which is just a series of O-rings. So they'll have two versions of this big one over here. One for the older version of the vacuum pump. I have the revision version. And it would be a lot easier if, you know, I had it apart, but I don't. But basically, on the older models of this vacuum pump, this O-ring sat kind of like somewhere in here and sealed, you know, the vacuum pump from the timing cover right over here. And then that's why they include this in the kit. So just in case you have the older version, this is a metal cross washer that will just go in between right here and seal it better. But since on the newer models, the O-ring kind of sits in like this relief, like kind of on the edge of the vacuum pump, and just kind of mates up to the timing cover. First of all, it's a bigger gasket. It's a bigger O-ring. And second, you can't use this because it's just going to cover the O-ring. This is a gasket that they include for your fuel pump, which I haven't gotten to yet, so that will be it for another video. So there's an O-ring there. There's also another O-ring right under this plate over here, kind of like, it's not a perfect circle when you open it. And it kind of like curves like this, and has a flat spot, and then continues to be a circle. So you replace that, you replace the one in there, and then there's also one right here on the outlet for the vacuum line itself. You just kind of stick two flat heads on either side. Well, you'd have this entire assembly off, and you can just stick a flat head in there, pop it out, put a new O-ring in there. This is my old one, and it's crushed. So I put a nicer and better one in there. Hopefully it doesn't leak. I had suspected the leak came from either where it mates up to the timing cover, or over here. I don't think that this gasket was really leaking, but kit comes with it, and it's you know, I've heard great things about RKX Tech, so hopefully that works. And yeah, this is the VVT solenoid, the N207 valve. I just removed it to do a little bit of cleaning on the inside over here, and so yeah, that should be everything about the vacuum pump. So if you do have any leaks over here coming from your vacuum pump, it's probably coming from your vacuum pump. You want to go ahead and replace it. These are not too terribly priced on Amazon. I believe like around $35. And like I said, RKX Tech makes some phenomenal products. I actually also got a timing cover gasket from them. Should be coming soon. And also these little control rings on the VVT valve that goes inside of your cam adjuster. You don't need to replace them unless they're broken, of course, but you know, kit comes with it. It's a good idea to replace them. They're just kind of like these like C rings, like they've got a split, and you can just kind of pop them out and fix them. Yeah, so this is just you know, part of the build. It's not really a build, just kind of a maintenance. I bought this car secondhand, third owner, and just running through it, and just had a misfire because it was, well, first of all, lots of carbon buildup in there, and in addition, it was missing the slide from cylinder 3. That can cause issues. There were injector clips broken, the wiring for the fuel injectors is broken. So I'm going to do a lot of videos on this. You know, if you can please like and subscribe if you like the content, if you'd like to see more of this. You know, I'll be doing a lot of Mark V GTI stuff. I know that there are videos out there, but there also aren't videos out there, just kind of plain and simple of me talking and explaining. You know, I think it would be a good addition to YouTube. So like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, more to come. Oh, and what I especially like about this is I am doing it all in an alley, which I know is the case for a lot of people. You don't have a garage to work in, you don't have much space, but I'm here to show you that you can do this in an alley if you wanted to. It's lots of fun. It takes the edge off, and you learn how to work on your own car. You know, to be honest, I don't know how to do half of this stuff. You know, off the top of my head, I'm not a certified mechanic, but I do learn. So I'm gonna bring you guys on a journey with me in learning how to fix my FSI engine. Phenomenal engine, phenomenal car. Thank you.